video, I'm going to be giving you a step-by-step guide that will take you from zero to meeting YouTube monetization requirements fast. So if this sounds like something you want to know, don't click out. Watch this video from the beginning to the end. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours and get approved for the YouTube Partner Program. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end. If you want to get monetized, there are some requirements that YouTube need from you as a creator. First of all, you're going to get your 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, 4,000 watch hours. So stay as I guide you on how you can get your YouTube monetized within the period of 28 days. Create a clear professional YouTube layout. Create YouTube banner. Okay, so this YouTube banner is going to have a little description of what your channel is all about. YouTube banner is simply make people to understand or know exactly what your channel is all about. Another thing is you're going to decide your niche. You can't just wake up one day and say that you want to be a content creator and you don't have a niche. Okay, you have to define a niche. Which niche are you going for? Okay, tutorial niche, educational niche, entertainment niche, or vlog niche. Niche is just what you will be talking about, what your channel is all about, what you will be doing in the channel. That is the niche. You will first of all identify the niche you are going for so that you can be able to optimize your keywords. Okay, so another one is going to your description. You know, on this you can see on your profile, you can see your description. So on the description, we are going to optimize your description. Make sure you use SEO description. What is SEO? SEO is a search engine optimization. So when you use a very good description, it's going to help your video, your channel to appear in YouTube search bar. So another one is content strategy. Okay, if you're making content, you have to be strategized. Focus on high retention videos. If you want to know videos that people are searching for on your niche, just go to YouTube Studio. When you go to YouTube Studio, go to analytics. Okay, then when you go to analytics, you can see threads. Okay, so in that thread, just click it. When you click it, you are going to see what is trending in your niche. Okay, so that is going to help you to know exactly what people are looking for in that your niche. That doesn't mean that you will only be making videos based on what you see in that place. No, but that is going to help you to know where you are going to focus more on. So another one is SEO optimization. Like I have said earlier, it is very, very important for you to use a searchable title, searchable keywords, searchable hashtag, and searchable tag. Okay, let me tell you, starting up a YouTube and knowing the best thing to do is very, very important. There is difference between somebody who has known his or her way on YouTube and somebody who doesn't know anything. You starting up a YouTube and you have been on YouTube watching different YouTubers sharing on how to grow on YouTube. Then when you start up your own YouTube, it's not going to be hard for you because you have already known the right thing to do, the right thing to put in place, the right buttons to set on and off on your channel. That is going to help you. You will see that you growing on YouTube will be more easier than somebody who don't know anything about YouTube. Another one is boost your watch hour. How do you boost your watch hour? So creating a playlist is very, very important. You know the importance of playlists in your channel, in your video. Importance of playlist is that when you create a playlist, it's going to, you know, help YouTube to also suggest your next video to people, to your viewer. Okay, for example, now as my channel is all about teaching people on how to grow a YouTube channel, so I might have different playlists. So when I add my videos on my playlist, okay, it's going to help YouTube to suggest my next video that is related to that video that you are watching. For example, in this video now is step by step on how to monetize your channel in 28 days. Okay, if there is any video I have made on how to grow a channel, on how to monetize a channel, and I put it in the same playlist that I put this particular video that you are watching now, after watching this video now, there is possibility that YouTube is going to suggest those videos that I also talk about something related to this that you're watching now. So it's going to also help to boost my watch hour, because somebody that watch this video now might want to watch another video that is talking something related to what I said in this video, so that the person can get different ideas. Okay, so it's going to, remember, when people watch your video more, your watch hour increase. When you are doing that, don't forget to always tell your subscribers to watch from the beginning to the end. Okay, whenever you're making video, keep on watching. Remember, I said that before you can get monetized, you are going to get 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. Okay, so boosting your watch hour is very, very important. Create a playlist, okay, so that when your viewer, after your viewer watch your video, YouTube is also going to show them your next video. So it's going to help you to get more watch hours. Okay, and you can as well go live, always go live, and also be consistent. It's going to help you as somebody who just start a YouTube channel, okay, trying to grow fast or trying to monetize fast. You got to be consistent. You can choose to be creating 3 to 4 videos in a week, or 5 videos in a week, or you make it habit, posting every day. Okay, posting every day. If you can even be going live, also post every day and go live every day. That is going to help you. Remember, from your live stream, you're going to be getting subscribers and your watch hour is going to be increasing, and for the video you are posting is going to also help you to get watch hour and also subscribers. Okay, so the next thing is growing subscribers. How do you get your 1,000 subscribers? Remember, in every video you post, make sure you tell your viewers to always subscribe, but make sure you are giving your viewers value to subscribe, because somebody that is looking for solution, when that person watch your video and see what the person is looking for is being solved, or maybe 80% of what the person is looking for is solved after watching your video, definitely that person is going to subscribe to your channel. Okay, and you saying do well to subscribe to my channel, in case if that person forget to hit on that subscribe button, okay, you saying it is going to also remind the person to subscribe. It's not necessary you always say it. You can just add subscription sign frequently as your video is going on. Okay, not necessarily you always say it, subscribe to my channel, but try to give value. Okay, try to solve problems, and don't forget to reply your comments, okay, within 24 hours of posting or someone commenting on your video. Don't overlook comments, because that is going to also encourage the viewer to also come back and watch your video. And for example, somebody drop comments on your video and forget to subscribe, so when you come back and reply that person's comments, it's going to notify the person that so person replied your comments, and that person might from there come back and check who is the person that's replying my comments, and from there the person is going to subscribe to your YouTube channel. Okay, you can also collaborate with upcoming creators in your niche or small content creators in your niche. You can give them shout outs. Okay, so person, I'm going to give you shout out because you are the first person that commented on my video today. That is going to bring more people to your channel. You don't know, When you give an upcoming content creator a shout out, or somebody that you people are even in the same level, you say, okay, because you are the first person that commented on my video, I'm going to give you a shout out. So when you are making a video, you can just say, oh, I'm giving this person shout out because he or she was the first person that commented on my social video. You know, like that, it's going to also encourage others to watch and comment, because they will be expecting you to give them shout out in your next video because they commented. It's not necessary you give shout out in all your videos, but doing this is going to encourage people to always come to watch your video and also drop comments in your comment section, and it's going to, you know, keep your channel busy, and that is going to also make YouTube to keep on promoting your channel. And when YouTube is promoting your channel, your video is going to get you more subscribers. Okay, the next thing is meeting monetization requirements. After meeting the YouTube requirements, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour, the next thing, applying for monetization. Once you meet your 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscribers, go to your YouTube studio. Your video did not violate any of YouTube policy. Definitely YouTube is going to ask you to apply for monetization, so you are going to accept and follow the necessary step. When you apply, it's going to take 1 to 2 weeks for YouTube to send you message that now you have been accepted into a YouTube partner program. So that is on how to get your channel monetized. Okay, believe me, if you're able to apply all these things that I just said now, getting your channel monetized within the period of 28 days is as simple as possible. Okay, so if you find this step-by-step guide helpful, don't forget to smash on that subscribe button to subscribe so that you do not miss the future tips that I will be bringing to this channel on how to grow YouTube channel. And don't forget to share this video to other people who might need this video. Okay, and don't forget to like, comments. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye bye.